For this video, I chose to do mine over the Close Talker. Seinfeld is was my mom's favorite show. She literally recorded every single episode on VHS. Proxemics is the space and distance. It examines the way people use the space around them. It's also the distance they maintain from other people. It can kind of show and mark your territory. Intimate distance is less than 18 inches apart. This may be a father holding their baby. They're going to keep them very close. It's going to be very intimate. Personal space is anywhere from 18 inches to 4 feet. You will use this typically when you're having a face-to-face conversation. Social distance is 4 to 12 feet. It's in personal, business, social gatherings, interviews. And anywhere you're in public, it's more than 12 feet. Typically like a public speaking engagement. Zone violation. What happens when zone violations occur? When a person is too close, it's easy to become offended. If they are too far away, you wonder if something's wrong. Do you smell? Do they not like you? One instance that I can really think of, me personally, is at my old employer. My general manager, she would always come up and talk to you, and she was a close talker. She would literally come right up in your face and just start talking to you, and I would always find myself taking a step back to distance myself, to get her into that kind of personal space. She was in my intimate space, and as I would take a step back, she would take a step forward, and a lot of times it was awkward for me. I don't think she felt awkward, but for me, the employee, it wasn't threatening, it was just really awkward. So hopefully from this video, you guys can kind of understand the different distances and what they mean. Thank you.